Tampa with possession. 18 seconds left to go.
Man, icing was really waved off.
Good defensive play. 13 seconds left to go. The puck is cleared. 10 seconds left to go. 8 seconds left to go. 5, 4. The time is done. The Colorado Avalanche are your 2022 Stanley Cup champions. They've defeated the Tampa Bay Lightning and the Avalanche 3-3 for the Stanley Cup in franchise history.
Oh, congratulations, Colorado! This is for you.
And Jack Johnson hugging each other laying down onto the ice. 2022 Stanley Cup champions. The Avalanche slammed Tampa Bay. They put the Lightning onto the tombstone. Tombstone pile driver. Landis